Hi guys, this is Patricia. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm a very big fan of sourdough and use sourdough in my bread making and in my pancakes, and I just love sourdough. I love the health benefits of sourdough. There's a lot of information about sourdough, the benefits, different ways you could use it. So I encourage everybody to look that up online, Google, YouTube, it's all over. A lot of people are getting into sourdough making. I also sell live sourdough starters locally in my area, But those that are not in my area, I do offer dehydrated sourdoughs. And I have several different kinds. I've made these all before, and I have several different things. And I'm going to let you know that up front, that sourdough, even if you get it from Egypt or Israel or hundreds of years ago, when you do get your sourdough dehydrated starters, if not from me, from anywhere else, usually you make them your own by the bacteria and the culture that's in the air. It forms its own area. So even though most of mine, which I have purchased and I now share, like this is Henry, this is my original sourdough starter. I've had him for years. I have one from Egypt, and most of these starters are over a year old. And I just like, some people have interest in different things, and when I see these different starters being offered, I like to incorporate them in my baking and see what the difference is, and so that when I really like them, I offer them for other people else. So this is from Egypt. The one I'm doing now and the one I'm feeding now, my live one, is Oregon Trail, back when the Oregon Trail was. And I have Oregon Trail. I also have Egypt, Israel, Wales, and actually Germany, which I was always intrigued about Germany. This one's in a dark because that's the only one I had, because it was originated, they found the culture back when the plague was in existence, and they found the culture still alive, because cultures actually could live in different ways for different times. So anyway, I offer, for those that are not local to me, I offer dehydrated starters. I mail them out. Usually a lot of people that they sell dehydrated starters do 10 grams, but I will put 15 grams of dehydrated starter in a little envelope. Maybe a little paper with instructions to, and which starter you want. And I'll list that on this website, on this page, the ones that I offer. And I sell them for $16 for, I'm going to say 15 grams, just do a little bit more. The shipping, though, I ship and only sell in the United States right now, because the shipping's so astronomical when you go outside the United States. It's going to be close to $6. Usually I'm thinking that's the average. So, so it's $16 plus the shipping. And I'll send them out as soon as I get the orders in. I do sell them through PayPal. I know a lot of people do other things, and eventually I'll do Venmo maybe, but for right now I just do PayPal, and we do it through a donation button, and you just, or another kind of button, which will be on this page. And then I do a confirmation, and I'll send your email when I ship it out. And it's just me. I'm not a big corporation or anything. And it just helps me out at home, and it's something I like doing. And I dehydrate my own starters. So it's always good to do like maybe 10 grams, and then you have a little backup of the extra 5 grams that you want to start. So anyway, that is just my starters. And welcome to my website. And take a look at everything else that you see in the blog and on the main page too. I really appreciate it. I have an Amazon tab on this web page as well. So thank you for being here, and I'll have this information on my sourdough page. So thank you very much, and I appreciate your support. God bless.